welcome to my channel. My name is Silinthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link it down below if you're interested in checking it out. Today, you guys, I need to stuff my sinking funds, and that is this binder here, and that is this cash here. But before I do that, I pulled some cash because I wanted to see if I could complete any other savings challenges today before I complete my sinking funds cash stuffing. So we'll just move that off to the side and we'll get started with this binder. This binder has savings challenges from S&C Budget Creations, also from I am Cassie J Budgets and Blogs YouTube channel or Ko-Fi shop. So let's see what we're stuffing. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. I have $43 for savings challenges today. And I don't know, you know what, if I do it that way, I think we're going to just leave the 5s because this was not a planned kind of deal. And I think we're just going to go for it. So what we'll do, should we set these up? Let's set these up. Okay. All right, I think we're in frame. What we'll do is roll the dice and see which savings challenge is actually getting the cash. We don't have 6 savings challenges, we only have 5, so if we roll a 6, we'll just roll again. Sorry about that, you guys. I had an interruption there, and I'm losing my battery, so let's just go real quick. Let's see. Number 3. 1, 2. Number 6. 5. 2. 6. Okay. 2. Uh-oh. I think this one may be close to being finished. 2. But let me just check because 5, 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one only needed $9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull $2 from here. And number 2 is out. And we will make sure we tally that up. So now we're down to, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. Oh. 2, 4. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so this one still has $3 more. I might finish more of these. Let's see. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how are we gonna do this? I really wanted to finish this savings challenge. Okay, that's the one I even pulled it out for, by the way. Number 1. That's okay. Let's do this really quickly. Number 1 didn't get anything, so we'll go ahead and put that back. And let's see if we finished. This one is the coffee and donuts. It got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So in total we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, I'm going to set that there really quickly because we need to do number 2, which is, this one was the Orange Hills. This one was specifically made for me from Cassie J. And I remember us speaking about putting it in the shop, but I don't know if it is. Not in the shop, in the Google Drive, but I'm not certain if it is. Sorry, I'm just looking for a Sharpie so we can mark this off. I believe we said 9. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, perfect. Yay, we completed that one. And in total, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And since this one's completed, you know what? I think I'll put the empty ones in the back. How about that? So that way I know I'm still working on a few of them. Because I get confused very easily, and I'm sure some of this may not be in frame, and that's okay. So let's put this cash here because I need to try to figure out bigger bills. All right, this one's completed. This one is a roll and save. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16 bucks. So we will do 5, 10, 16. This one was from one of the memberships from Cassie J. I got, let me show you what she sent me in the mail. So I am an honorary member because obviously we work together, and she tries a lot of the savings challenges out on me, or once she gets them going. Look at this beauty. So cool. It has all these goodies in there. Oh, I'm obsessed. So what I'm going to try to do is, because she did send them to me, I am going to try to do them. I did speak with her a little bit on possibly doing a giveaway because these are specifically for her members. But we'll see. We'll see how, you know, all of that works out. All right. Where was I? I'm here in my space in my room. But what was I doing? Okay. I think we were... we were counting, weren't we? Okay. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I saved $25. We'll put this cash here because that's going into our binder. And then lastly, we have a Leo Savings Challenge, which I should have been working on Aries and then Taurus. But was I? No, I wasn't. But I will. Today we're adding $5, $10, $11, $12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, this one only needs 3 more bucks and it will be completed. And let's see what we have here. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 doll hairs so far, and then savings challenge. So we'll keep working on this and see how it goes. This is the binder that I try to stuff on Saturdays, my savings Saturdays. So once these savings challenges are completed, we will add in a few more to keep us going and to keep us saving. I wish this one was completed. Okay, so that helps a lot. And now we need to, oh boy, should we? Well, I have some change over here. I have big bills for my Freebie Friday that I need smaller bills for anyway. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's just move this. We might need to grab those 5s back. And I'll set that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's grab that 5 back. And then we'll figure out. Because we need the ones more than anything. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. So we'll leave this 3 here. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, perfect. All right, and what we'll do is count up what we're stuffing for our sinking funds. My brain is still stuck on what did I do wrong. So whatever I've done wrong, we're moving past it. That's me telling me, but for those of you who are like me, who can't move forward from that moment, I'm sorry I did that to us. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Let me grab a 5. All right, so was that 145? I believe it was 145. I'm going to check one more time. Yes, 145 is what we're working with today. And as a matter of fact, no, I'm not going to do that. Oh boy. Okay, so we're going to stick with the plan of going ahead and stuffing our $145 into our sinking funds binder, and we are moving forward. Yes, we are. All right, so what do we need? I know, let's start with our safety net, because I did use some of my safety net. I had a couple of appointments. I went and looked at some apartments, and I found some apartments. I'm waiting to find out if I've been approved. So, yeah, my lease is up next month here where I'm at, and I really want to get out of this apartment complex. Let's go ahead and add 40 bucks to safety net. So now we have $20, $40, $60, $80, $90, $100 in safety net, which is fantastic. I'm not certain if I'm going to need it this week. I need to check and see what I worked last week. I use it as I need to. I don't make a big fuss about it. And technically, do I absolutely need it? No, because I can just work with what I have, because I paid up my bills for the next couple months while I'm here. But I'd like to have some consistency. So that's the reason I stuff it. Consistency. All right, so my boys, they have been asking for their money on Cash App. So it's been coming out of here and going into my account. And I think what we'll do is, should we do, it needs to be an even, where I can split it right down the middle. Let's do 30 bucks, because then I can give them each 15. We've increased our chores. And it appears that Victor is more interested in making money than Vincent. Vincent will make do. He'll do a little bit because he wants to, you know, have some money to do a few things. But it's nowhere near like the way Victor is. He even asked, like, Mom, is it mop day? Because I pay more for mopping, because our whole house is not carpeted. Our whole apartment is not carpeted. But I pay more for mopping. And he says, is today the day we mop, Mom? So anyway, I like that they're taking initiative, and I like that they can be bribed, you know, financially. It's important. All right, self-care, I still have money in there, and I've been trying to hang on to it. I spent a little bit, but I think what we'll do is, how about we put, how about, let's go back. I'm going to put 40 into the boys. And then I'll put 40 into mine. Yes, into self-care. Oh, I'm putting 40 into self-care. Let's see how much I have left. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70 is what I have now. And self-care is just me taking care of myself, whatever that looks like in the moment. It's not something specific like nails or hair, or it's something, a massage. It's just something to, whatever makes me feel good, to take care of myself. So basically, like, decent allowance or spending. Let's do car maintenance. How about we put $20 in car maintenance, because we have been using it for car washes. Yay, go us. And then the last $5 we'll put into home. I did want to increase this because since we are moving, there will be, you know, when you move into a new place, you like to make it feel a little bit different than the last. I have some ideas and some plans, but we'll see how things go. But for now, we have $15 in our home binder. Now we have $15 in our home envelope. Yes. All right, so that's wonderful. And we'll bring this beauty back out as well. Sometimes you all do ask me, where did I get these binders? And for those of you who are new and don't know, I did receive them as a gift from Mia's Envelopes, and I will link her channel down below. I'm not certain exactly where she purchased them, but she sent them to me as a gift. So, but that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.